Hey guys, hope you guys being well. I have been in Mexico for 10 days for business, and then I went for a couple days as well to Sweden to visit my family. But now I'm back. I'm going to be back for the rest of May, just until the end, where I'm traveling to Dubai for business and for a seminar. So if you're in Dubai, let me know. I'm going to be there. Guys, today we're going to talk a bit about crude oil. So we have a new proposal. Brussels is proposing an EU import ban on all Russian oil. So how is this influencing crude oil markets? Well, take a look here. Crude oil is up today and it's sort of still stuck in a pattern, but we are seeing some interesting stuff here. By the way, this is Brent crude oil, and you can see that Brent crude oil was stuck in this large sort of descending triangle, or sort of, you can even call it a regular triangle if you want to. We breached that red line, and that gives us a target of about 132, so back up to this high here. But this pattern itself is not really that interesting. It's actually quite poor. You might remember we traded gold just before I traveled to Mexico, and we did not really reach the targets. I was long for a little while. I made a bit of money on that, but I had to close that position early. But what I do like with this right now is, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a small ascending triangle where the trend line is pushing upwards. You have the horizontal push, and what it's telling us that a break to 109.88 could lift us all the way up to 120.19. So when you have that small pattern with the big pattern, then that is when things become interesting. I wouldn't like to buy today though. I'm happy to forego this because if I would be forced to buy today, I probably need to put a stop loss down here around 106.4. And if we were to just reach the first target, I'm just going to get a risk-reward ratio of 2.43, which I don't really care about too much. It's only if we sort of go up to 130 or so that it makes much more sense, and we get almost a 5 times risk-reward ratio. So what I would prefer is that, all right, let it not break out today, rather let it, for example, just close here and then push a little bit lower so I can tighten up the stop loss. If I can do that, if the market can do that, then even if we sort of reach just the target of this mini pattern, we'll be looking at a risk-reward ratio of 3.55. So that is what I prefer. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. It's really important that you do that. If you don't, it gives me signs that, I shouldn't be doing these things. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I had a fantastic year, and we've been sharing a ton of alpha on my Twitter account, but also on the ATFX YouTube channel. So again, if you like it, support it. If you don't like it, I get the message, and I'll produce less content. It's very straightforward like that. Thanks so much, and talk soon.